Yep. Did a wheelie right in front of a cop. Kind of deserved that one. Oh well. It is what it is. Yep. I can't help myself, man. Yep. Still don't see the cherries and berries. Still nothing. Still don't see them. Still don't see them. Still don't see them. And if he doesn't get off here, I'm just gonna stop. I mean, for real. Here we are.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Not much. Let me check out your driver's license. Do you know why I stopped you?
I'm hard of hearing. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay, man. You know why I stopped you? Did you see me? Did you notice me at that light when you were ripping that wheelie, or did you not?
I was paying attention. There was a kid doing that.
All right, man. Well, I appreciate you stopping for me, man. Let me check out your driver's license.
Sure, it's in my pocket right here.
Okay, good. You got any weapons on you?
No,
man?
sir. Nothing.
How old are you, bud?
I'm 22, sir.
22? Okay. Bro, I see you got the temp tag on it, man. Is this your first bike?
Oh, no. This is probably my 15th.
Oh, no way.
I actually have the real plates in my bag. I just got this bike back today. It was in service for a while.
Okay.
It needs tools to put the real plate on, and I don't have those tools at my new house, so.
Okay.
I have the real plate in my bag if you want to see that.
Yeah, I'll take a peek at
Sure.
it, man. Yeah, usually first-time bike owners aren't popping wheelies and stuff, so I figured you had some experience.
I've been around. I've been riding for about 5 years, so.
Good, good. They make me nervous, dude. I'm a dad, so they make me nervous, bro.
Yeah.
I'm at that point in my life, you know?
I understand. It was stupid.
Yeah, I just worry. I mean, I get it, dude. You're young. And I'm not calling you dumb, but you're young. You know,
that's the real one.
Okay.
I've only been pulled over a few times, never.
Okay.
So,
all right, man.
it's been a while.
Listen, I'm not gonna give you a hard time. Let me make sure you check. Okay. And
Appreciate that.
I'll be right back with you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course. You guys say I don't actually know how to ride. Let it get away from me. Oh, man. They had another cop up there, too, man. See, they were waiting for me. I knew. Well, if you need audible confirmation that I can do it, give me. There it is.
Just in case.
Hey.
Hello.
I got
okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. I got pulled over. I did a wheelie. I'm stupid.
I'm looking at your location and I'm like, he's not moving. I better call him, make sure he's alive.
Yeah, I'm okay.
All right. Well, let me know how that goes. Get content. content.
All right. I can't laugh. He's gonna. All right. Goodbye.
All right, goodbye.
All right, man. Like I said, I'm not out here trying to give you a hard time. I just want you to be safe. That's the main thing, okay?
I heard that.
I pick people up off the side of the road in pieces, man. You know, get crazy on these things. I'm not trying to give you a big old speech, but I'm gonna cut you some slack on the reckless.
No, you're right. There's better places.
Yeah, just do me a favor, man. Look around. Make sure there's no police like too far ahead.
I'll do it when no one's the wiser.
Right, dude. Right. I get it. Trust me, I get it. Other than that, man, you safe, dude. When I go to pull out, I'll occupy this lane with my lights still on. That way, it'll give you a clear path on out of here.
Thank you.
Nobody comes floating up behind you. I like the backwards structure too, man.
Thank you.
That's possible. I didn't notice that until I went back and said, "Oh, that's hilarious."
I just want to make a quick note. The hoodie that he's referring to, the back of my sweatshirt, is actually my merch, and I do sell them. So, yeah, check that out if you want to support.
Yeah. Don't forget your bag, my bro.
Thank you. City like so. There you go. What if I just ripped another one right there? Well, Matthew Woods getting pulled over for doing a wheelie, huh? And you guys say I don't ride. Just because I don't post my riding, because I, for the most part, don't watch that kind of content online, because I find it, for the majority of the time, pretty boring. Yeah, just because I don't post it doesn't mean I don't actually ride my bikes. I've been riding for 5 years now. I got nothing to prove. I know my own skill. Can I be smarter with that skill? Probably. This is probably a pretty dumb move. But like, whatever. He didn't give me a ticket, which is good. Live to ride another day. He easily could have probably towed my bike and Been a sad night. I would have had to go home and get the H2 instead. Oh well. He said I did like the hoodie, which I do make these, by the way, if you're curious. Dude, I got no reason to run. Especially not on this thing, please. This thing could not run if it tried. And yeah, he was just, that was a super chill cop. I could not have asked for a more chill cop. So basically what happened is this kid, who was like a little kid in the backseat of the car with the window down, he was like doing this motion. I'm like, alright, I gotta, you know, bring it up for him. And, yeah, the cop was literally 2 cars in front of him. I was like, I was not paying attention. I've been ripping wheelies all night, alright? I took this girl for a ride, ripping wheelies with her. It was a good time. This guy, this kid's asked me to do it. I'm like, alright, I've pretty much got it down by this point. Pretty much to a science. I'm like, alright, I'm gonna do a wheelie for the kid. Popped it up. Cop followed me for quite the distance. I was like a little confused. I'm like, is this guy really gonna pull me over? I think he was calling backup, because while I was sitting there waiting for him to pull me over, he was calling. I saw squad cars like going through the area, so I was like, okay, he definitely was like, if this kid runs, you know. But I have a legal, well, it's not a fully legal plate, so it's a plate that comes back to my name, but it's expired. I have the real one in my bag. Let me just show you guys real quick what's going on there. Yeah, so without showing the plate, you need tools to take the plate off, and I don't have the tools on me right now because I'm currently moving to a new house, and so everything is just lost, and I don't have Allen keys or the wrenches I need to do that when I originally put this plate on. This was before I went to California. So now I'm sitting here, I have the real plate in my bag, I have all the real registration, everything I need. It's just, I have a plate on there that comes back to my name, so I'm like, okay, I should be fine. And it was fine, and I got pulled over, it was totally fine. I don't even think he told me to put the real plate back on there, so guess we're totally in the clear, right? No, I will get that on as soon as possible. It's just, whatever. It is what it is. Got pulled over, and it's totally fine.
Hello?
Yeah, so remember how we were ripping wheelies the whole night?
Yeah.
Well, there's this little kid, as I'm going through streets, bro, he's like, pop it up, and, you know, as I do, I pop it up.
Are you okay?
I'm totally fine. There was a cop 2 cars in front of him.
No.
Yeah.
Did he pull you over?
Oh, yeah.
What happened?
Towed the bike. No, I'm kidding.
No,
I'm
you
kidding.
didn't.
I'm kidding.
Are you pranking me?
No, I definitely got pulled over, though.
What's wrong with you?
He didn't give me a ticket.
Why would you say that?
No, he didn't give me a ticket, though.
Oh my god.
I'm not even kidding. I swear to God, he was the coolest cop ever.
Give me a goddamn heart attack.
He was super chill. He said he liked the hoodie, too. The ossifer.
Aw.
Yeah, no, I was like,
That's
alright,
great.
thank you.
Cops have been great tonight.
Yeah, I know. I was like, hey, he said he's a dad. He's like looking out. He said he was worried if it was like my first bike if I'm doing that. I was like, no, this is like, I've been riding for like 5 years. This is like my 15th bike.